Alright, I'm back on. I got my friends here. We're going for a walk. Let's walk. Let's walk, Deacon. Good job. There's Izzy. There's Deacon. We've got the goats following. So this is me exercising them, and good, yes, good job, good Deacon. Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna walk them a little bit more. They seem to like it. I gotta get more hay. Anyways, it's kind of like a pack walk of hooved animals, which is kind of cool. So it's nice. And are they naturally doing it? I actually trained it. And I mostly trained it with Izzy. I have been training Deacon, so he does seem to come out and follow and see what's going on because he wants to be involved. And good things are happening, so which is always nice. Sometimes Izzy pushes them away, but I've been working on that. Anyways, have a great day today, everybody.